Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you a unique and a fabulous method actually that you have never seen before. And I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money exactly on a two-pillar system with affiliate marketing step by step. So you can make 500, 800 plus dollar per day with this amazing method in this strategy if you implement my technique and if you implement my guide step by step so you can exactly make money on a two-pillar system with the method that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So I have just decided that I can show you and bring you the best making money online videos to you, and also I will try my best to save your time and also save your data. Do not waste the time. Let's jump straight into the strategy that how exactly it is working. So the first and important thing is that actually that you need to sign up with ClickBank, 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤 or Digistore24 anyone you are interested with that you can simply sign up to start and promote your affiliate products from that right here. So I'm signed up with ClickBank, so I can simply and clearly show you it on the ClickBank. So you just need to sign up and log into your account and you will see the interface something like this. Definitely go to the marketplace right away here, and then you will see the top offers right here. You can simply click on that. Once you click on the top offers right here, you will just move to the offers right here. Even you can simply just find out the best offers on the left side, which you can simply see all the categories right here. Otherwise, if you just click on the top offers, you will see these top offers right here. So the first top offer is the 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤 product that we can simply promote. At the back side, we can earn money on that right here. And the second one is the 𝐵𝐵𝑢𝑟𝑛 new. Actually, it is also a brand new product that we can simply promote right here. So if you are promoting the 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐶, let's just see the gravity, how much gravity is there. There is 998 plus gravity, and initial conversion is $146, and recurring and the billing is $37 plus actually. So that is the coolest part. We need to promote the 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐶 product. That how we can promote that. If we just click on 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐶, we will move to the first page, which will be the sales page right here, that people can be redirect this and they can convert into this page. And after they read all these things, so they can simply convert and we will earn the commission from these right here. And if you want to learn more about the affiliate page, you can simply just click on affiliate page and you will be redirected to this page right here, that you can simply pop up and see the how you can get your links, install pixels, email swap, and images and banners all available on this page right here. You can simply copy and paste and you can start promoting right away here from this page right here. So once you do that, the next step will be that you simply go back to the page and click on the promote. Once you click on the promote, you will see this page right here. You can simply add your ClickBank ID and then click on the generate hop link. Once you click on the generate hop link, then you can simply copy this link and start promoting this. But before starting and promoting this, you need to just shorten with bit.ly or TinyURL, and after that you are good to go with this and you can start promoting right here. So the first website that we are going to share with you, a unique website that you can make money on a two pilot with absolutely copy and paste. You just need to go to this website right away here, which is the internleads.net. Internleads.net is a pre-classified website that you can have a US and also the top 5 countries are available right here on this website. So you can simply just go to this website right here by just clicking this and you will be visited the main page. So this is the main interface of Intern Leads pre-classified ads website. As you can simply see here, you can simply just search any things right here on this website, or you can publish your own ads right here, right away here. So the first step is that you just need to sign up with this website and start promoting the product. As you can simply see here, there are a lot of people that they are promoting their contents on this website right here. So the first step is that you can simply just sign up for a free account right here on this website and start promoting your contents right away here. So what you need to do, the first step is to register with this website. The next step is that to publish your ad. But before publishing your ad, I just need to show you that how people are doing. If you just write in the search bar, for example, weight loss, and if you search, you will see this result right here. So it's only about weight loss keyword. If you just use any other keyword, so you can find multiple offers right here. As you can simply see here, this 30-second ritual reverses high blood sugar more and torch. Okay, so this is the weight loss product right here. As you can simply see here, there are also money products that you can simply see here available on this website, and people are promoting and they are making money. So you can do the same thing right away here. If I just click on the first one right here, we will just need to open this, and this is the main interface of the ads that this guy has posted. This is the image, and if you scroll down, here is the description right here that this guy is used, and here is the link that this guy also used right here. Beside using link in the description, you can also use the link and the website section right over here. So we can also do that right there, that people can be redirected to the website section. As you can simply see here, read more and way website. If you just click on the way website, you will just redirect to their affiliate page right here. Okay, so if I just copy and paste this link, for example, if I just click on this link, for example, on this link right here, if I just click or copy and paste it in another browser, so they will definitely just open and pop up this page right here, which is a Digistore 24 product that this guy is posting. So we can do the same thing, and we can earn a decent amount of money from this right here by just clicking right here. We just need to go and just click on the publish your ads. Once you do that, then you will be available, will be this page right here, that you can simply select the category, whether that is services, whether that is business or something like that. You can simply just click on the services, and then you can simply select the subcategory. I just need to health, beauty, and fitness. I need to select here. I can simply add the title, then the description, then other information. So for the shortening of this video and saving your time, I just need to do it a little bit quick. As you can simply see here, I just added the services, and the subcategory is this one, and here is the title: $750 year old, sorry, 750-year-old back forces permanent fat loss right here. And as you can simply see here, this is the description we have just written, and inside of the description we have also used this link right here. Okay, this is a bit.ly link, and here I have also used in the middle as well right here, which is this one. Okay, so I have used, and I also added the image right here, and the price $39, something like that, and the region is Connecticut, and the city is Colchester right here, and I used some of the data right here. And please visit our website. I just added the same link in URL right here, and I use some keyword like lost weight, how to lose weight, and here I use your ad posted and thousands automatically. Just I type it yes, and then in the bottom I just skip all these things because that is the paid method. I just select no thanks. I do not want extra exposure for my ad right now. I just want to submit a free ad. I just simply select, and I can simply click on the publish. Before publishing, I just need to know you that how I did it, the title, description, and images. I just simply just go to the affiliate tools area right here. I just click on the email swipe right here, and I have plenty of email swipe right here that you can simply see here. These are all the email swipe. This is the title, I just copy something like that, and this is the description, I just simply copy, and the link I just go back right here and just click on the promote, copy my URL, and then go to the skin URL right here. I just paste it and click on the shorten URL, and then I simply copy this URL and paste it inside of that right away there. So the image I have also used from the affiliate tools area. If I just click on the images, so these are all the different images that I can simply use. I just click on the download button, and I simply download these images right here, and I simply just paste it right here. So once I'm done with each and everything, I just simply just click on the publish button. So my ads will be live on this website forever, and that would be a good idea and free method and strategy that we can simply promote our uh, our product on this website for absolutely free. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments. But if you want to have a step-by-step training that how you can make money online and exact a two-pellet system, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn each and everything step by step that how you can make money on a two-pellet system right away here. So hope you like, and don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. My ad is now submitted on this website, and if I want to see my ad, so I just need to go to my accounts right here, and I can simply see my ads inside over there right here. As you can simply see here, this is my ad which is live on this website, and I can also edit if I want, but I don't want to edit. This is the price, this is the title, here is the description. Inside the description there is a link. So hope you like it, and don't forget to share on the social media with your loved one. Thanks, and see you until next brand video. See you awesome and enjoyable moments.